In this video, we can talk about top 5 StarryAi alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives Code channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that will unleash your creativity and take your image generation skills to new heights. Get ready as we dive into the world of top 5 StarryAi alternatives that are Dall E Craiyon, Nightcafe, Creator, or Jasper Art and Dall E Flow. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Our first alternative is Dall E. Dall E is an incredible tool that pushes the boundaries of image generation with its deep learning capabilities. It offers features like photorealistic images, 4x greater resolution, and multiple variations. It allows you to create stunning visuals that seem like they've been plucked straight from your imagination. One of the standout features of StarryAi is its vast dataset that opens a world of possibilities for your artistic endeavors. Next up, we have Craiyon. Craiyon is a versatile image generation platform that allows you to generate photorealistic images by providing specific keywords. It offers features like smart keyword usage, extensive library of images, and advanced customization options. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, Craiyon offers a user-friendly interface that makes creating eye-catching visuals a breeze. And one of its standout features is to provide multiple variations of an image with a single click. Our third alternative is Nightcafe Creator. Nightcafe is a digital art studio that provides a unique blend of tools and effects that allow you to transform ordinary images into extraordinary masterpieces. It offers features like different style choices, NFT art creation, text-to-image AI, and AI face generator. From surreal dreamscapes to vibrant abstract compositions, Nightcafe is your gateway to a world of artistic exploration. Also, it has one of the most standout features, which is to generate a wide variety of AI-generated art. Our fourth alternative is Jasper Art. Jasper Art is an AI-based platform that enables you to convert text prompts to realistic AI-generated images instantly. It offers features like text-to-image, copyright-free images, and customized background. With its unique algorithms, Jasper Art generates beautiful paintings, drawings, and illustrations. And one of the best features of Jasper Art is to create high-resolution images with great accuracy. Last but not least, we have Dall E Flow. Dall E Flow is a cutting-edge AI model developed by OpenAI. It focuses on generating artistic and seamless animations from textual prompts. It offers features like names mixer, text generator, several text symbols, and various languages. With Dall E Flow, you can bring your imagination to life by creating dynamic and visually captivating animations effortlessly. And with one of its standout features, which is to use user input text descriptions, you can get amazing futuristic graphics. Compared to StarryAi, Dall E comes with deep learning algorithms and allows you to create stunning visuals that stretch the limits of your imagination. Craiyon, on the other hand, provides a user-friendly interface that simplifies the image generation process. Nightcafe Creator stands out by offering a unique blend of tools and effects and empowers you to experiment with abstract compositions. Jasper Art allows you to use images for any creative purpose without much legal repercussions. Lastly, Dall E Flow allows you to explore sequential visual storytelling in new and exciting ways. Among the diverse array of StarryAi alternatives, we would recommend Dall E as one of the specific alternatives to stand out as a comprehensive solution that combines advanced image generation capabilities with user-friendly features. We hope this video has shed light on the best StarryAi alternative and help you find the perfect AI tool to serve as a catalyst for your artistic journey. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.